So we are back in my closet. I am moving here and I need to go through everything, and anything that I'm not going to be wearing, I need to pack up. They say you only wear about 20% of what you have, so I need to be packing this stuff up. So let's do it. So I always like to move left to right. I find it to be the most manageable. So my goal here is to go through like all shirts and tops, which are on this side of the closet. And I'm going to be removing anything that I don't think I'm going to be wearing over the next month or two. And I'm only going to be bringing the stuff that I'm absolutely going to be wearing. And then everything else is going to be packed away. This is the last of it, of all of my like clothes. So that's everything for stuff that was hanging up. And I'm going to move into like sweatshirts, sweatsuits, everything like that. You don't need all this stuff. So I just wanted to bring stuff that I absolutely am going to grab, and then everything else I'm going to do away with. And you know what else I'm thinking is, once I finally get to my storage unit, which I'm getting around to that right now and going through everything, I am noticing like, hey, I don't miss this at all. So I might either declutter it, sell some stuff on Poshmark. I don't need all of this stuff. Moving on to work pants, dress pants, jeans. I only reach for like the same 2 pairs of work pants. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing with all this stuff. So that's what I did. I just am hanging on to a couple pairs of dress pants, and same with dresses. There's so many dresses that I have not worn that I know I'm not going to wear, and I just needed to set them aside. This whole process actually moved a lot faster than I thought it was going to. I was pretty quick to decide what I'm wearing, what I'm not going to wear in the immediate future. It was actually a lot easier than when you're going to declutter. And at this point, I'm realizing I have way too many jeans. How many jeans do you guys have? I feel like you really only need 4 or 5. I mean, I wear the same ones over and over. I like what I like. I do like a little variety, but as I'm going through, I'm realizing like, wow, I don't even wear these or like these. I swear, tank tops multiply when no one's even looking. I don't know why I have so many. I have a lot of black, white, and tan. I think what happened was I had like all color and I felt like I didn't have any neutrals, and then I overdid it and I bought a bunch, and now I just have way too many. So we're just gonna keep a couple black, a couple white, a couple gray, call it a day, and just move on with the rest of the stuff. Same with t-shirts. I was into like graphic t-shirts at one point, and I got so many. Like, I can't just get 1 or 2. I have to get a whole bunch. So now I just need to, like, all the Disney shirts, it's time to go. If I go to Disney again, I'll get a shirt, but I got to get them out of here for now. The last and final drawer here is bathing suits. So I'm only going to keep things that actually fit and flatter me and that I feel good in. And then I have like cover-ups and stuff like that. But anything else, it's time to go. So perfect chance, again, moving. Do not bring what you're not going to wear. Why would you want to carry it or store it? It's such a pain. Just get rid of it. This one's gonna hurt a little bit, but if I haven't reached for it in a couple of years and I'm not gonna probably wear it again, it's probably time to list it on like Poshmark or something. So I'm just gonna pack like a couple of my everyday bags and then put the rest into storage or just hold off for now. I don't wanna bring something for a temporary move that I'm not gonna reach for. My moving motto is, if I forgot that I owned it, I'm not going to pay to pack it or move it, waste my time, and then unpack it. So, new house, a fresh start, less clutter is my goal. So I have everything laid out. This is everything that needs to be stored away. This is the stuff that I am not going to be reaching for in the immediate future. And then I will decide whether or not I am going to donate it or sell it or what I'm going to do. But this is about a good 50% of my wardrobe. I'm very happy with this. So this is going to be packed up and stored away. So we got about 6 or 7 bins and a ton of bags. This is everything. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.